Good day and welcome to this video lecture about algebra. In this video lecture, I will discuss how to calculate the part, the whole, and the percent proportion. So let's start. In a percent proportion, the ratio between the part and the whole is equivalent to the ratio between the percent and 100. So let's work on some problems using that equation. Let's start with the type of question in finding the percent. So here is our first question. 70 is what percent of 125? So we have part divided by whole and is equal to percent divided by 100. To help you solve the problem, there is something I want to add. The part is associated with the word is, and the whole is the number that is associated with the word of. I'm sure that it will help you a lot in solving this type of problem in the future. So in the question, 70 is the part and 125 is the whole. And we're looking for the percentage and we call it as x divided by 100. Now we need to cross multiply 125 times x, which is 125x. And then we have 70 times 100, which is 7,000. Let's divide both sides by 125. So x is going to be 7,000 divided by 125. Therefore, x is equal to 56%. It means that 70 is 56% of 125. Here is another example. What percent of 15 is 85? So we were going to use the same equation. Part divided by whole and is equal to percent divided by 100. Now what is the part and the whole in this problem? The number that is associated with the word is the part. So 85 is the part. The number that is associated with the word of is the whole. So 15 is the whole. You will notice that the number for part is larger than the number for whole. Keep in mind that whenever the part exceeds the whole, the percentage is going to be greater than 100. And we are looking for the percentage, and we call it x, and divided by 100. Now we need to cross multiply. 15 times x, which is 15x, and then we have 85 times 100, which is 8,500. Let's divide both sides by 15. So x is going to be 8,500 divided by 15. Therefore, x is equal to 566.67%. Therefore, it means that 85 is 566.67% of 15. The second thing that we need to talk about is how to find the part. Our next question is going to illustrate it. The question is, what is 28% of 95? So let's write the equation first. Now we have 28 divided by 100. Now the number that is associated with the word of is 95, and that is the whole. So we are looking for part which we can replace it with x. Now we need to cross multiply 100 times x, which is 100x, and then we have 28 times 95, which is 2660. Let's divide both sides by 100. So x is going to be 2660 divided by 100. Therefore, x is equal to 26.6. So 26.6 is 28% of 95. Here is another example. What number is 23% of 240? Let's write the equation first. So we are looking for the part again. Let's replace part with x. The whole is the number associated with the word of, and that is 240. We have the percentage, which is 23 divided by 100. Let's cross multiply. 100 times x, which is 100x. And then we have 23 times 240, which is 5,520. Let's divide both sides by 100. So x is going to be 5,520 divided by 100. Therefore, x is equal to 55.2. So 55.2 is 23% of 240. The last thing that we need to cover is finding the base. So here is a problem. 35 is 47% of what number? Let's write the equation first. So in this problem, what is the part and what is the whole? 35 is the part because it is the number associated with the word is. We are looking for the whole, which is also known as the base. We are looking for the number which is associated with the word of. So the whole or the base is x. The percentage is 47 divided by 100. Now we need to cross multiply. 47 times x, which is 47x. And then we have 35 times 100, which is 3,500. Let's divide both sides by 47. So x is going to be 3,500 divided by 47. Therefore, x is equal to 74.47. So 35 is 47% of 74.47. Here is another example. 24 is 36% of what number? Let's write the equation first. So in this example, we could see that the part is 24. And we have the percentage, which is 36 divided by 100. We need to find the whole or the base, which we call it as x. Now we need to cross multiply. 36 times x, which is 36x. And then we have 24 times 100, which is 2,400. Let's divide both sides by 36. So x is going to be 2,400 divided by 36. Therefore, x is equal to 66.67. So 24 is 36% of 66.67. So now you know how to use the percent proportion formula in order to find the part, the whole or the base, and the percentage. Thank you.